Once upon a time, the lively financial markets of the United States, the very symbols of economic strength and fair competition, were shrouded in a cloud of corruption. Unethical practices and secretive dealings had stained the reputation of the stock exchanges, with a handful of individuals exploiting loopholes, manipulating stock prices, and engaging in insider trading with little regard for the repercussions. Enter Maya Turner, a dedicated investigative journalist who began to peel back the layers of this corruption. Maya exposed a tangled web of deceit involving influential executives, hedge fund managers, and even regulatory officials. Her expose, published in a top-tier national newspaper, reverberated throughout the nation. The public outcry was deafening. The demand for accountability was unrelenting, compelling the government to establish a special task force of finance, law, and ethics experts. The task force's mission was clear: to address the root causes of corruption and propose a thorough set of reforms. Firstly, regulatory oversight had to be bolstered. Regulatory bodies needed more resources and authority to monitor and investigate suspicious activities. Stricter enforcement of existing regulations was required, and new measures were to be introduced to close loopholes. Secondly, transparency and accountability needed to be enhanced. Measures were introduced to make financial transactions more open, providing the public with more readily accessible information. Companies and financial institutions were now required to disclose more details about their operations, giving investors a clearer understanding of potential risks. Thirdly, robust whistleblower protection laws were implemented. These laws encouraged individuals within organizations to report unethical practices without fear of retaliation, fostering a culture of accountability from within. Fourthly, ethics education was incorporated into the training programs of financial professionals. The importance of integrity, honesty, and fiduciary responsibility was emphasized, instilling a sense of moral responsibility within the industry. Lastly, investments were made in advanced technologies to detect and prevent market manipulation, fraud, and other illicit activities. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms were used to analyze market data for anomalies. The once corrupt financial markets began to regain their integrity as these reforms took effect. Investors regained confidence, and the public's faith in the system was gradually restored. Maya Turner's investigative journalism had ignited positive change, underlining the power of transparency, accountability, and a commitment to ethical principles in creating a fair and trustworthy financial landscape.